What birds do you think we will see from this assortment?
Definitely chickadees, nuthatches, blue jays, robins, cardinals.
Welcome to Potcher and the Posse. This is Potcher. Today we are going to make bird feeders out of toilet paper rolls, so stay tuned to see how you can do that too. First you will need bird seeds, a shallow bowl, plates or paper plates, butter knives, peanut butter, we used creamy, toilet paper rolls, a pair of scissors, some string, thread, or ribbons, and an optional plate that we ended up not using.
First we have, of course, toilet paper. Toilet paper rolls. I'm sure many of you guys have these during this quarantine and this whole stock up of items. So everyone is getting toilet paper rolls and a plate.
Thank you, Mommy. Like this.
And butter knives. Can you pass those along? Thank you.
String inside.
Next, we're going to take our peanut butter.
Oh, and then put it on here also, then it will stick.
Yes, and
Okay.
so
This is
just
classic bird feeder.
yeah, share, guys, spread it along your toilet paper roll.
You can either give each child a dollop or a small cup of peanut butter. I just left the peanut butter jar in the center of the island for everyone to reach and take what they need. Again, we used creamy peanut butter to make sure that it was easy and even when spread on the rolls. Make sure the application is not too light or the bird seeds may not stick. Once everyone is done with the peanut butter on the toilet paper rolls, place about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch layer of bird seeds on the shallow bowl or plate and roll the peanut butter covered toilet paper roll to cover as much bird seeds on it as possible. You may need to fill in some patches. Feel free to enjoy some peanut butter in the process.
You have a big dump of peanut butter.
Are you
here.
enjoying the peanut butter?
Oh my gosh, my hands. My
just
hands are terrible.
Kids are always trying to defy instructions and demonstrate their individualistic ideas. So here is Zeke not wanting to roll the toilet paper roll, but time-consumingly hand-pick his seeds, sprinkle, and even sing a song in the process. Hand-picking. Sprinkles. More sprinkles. Love this kid. Next up, you simply slide the string, thread, or ribbon, whatever you are using, through the toilet paper roll. And we used ribbons because that was what we had at hand. I also like to use different colors because in a way it personalizes each bird feeder in a very simple and convenient way for mom. I like to use different colors for each child also because it just takes away a lot of the fighting, a lot of the guessing when we forget whose was which and which bird came to whose bird feeder and all of that glorious stuff. And ta-da! Bird feeders!
What birds do you think we will see from this assortment?
Definitely chickadees, nuthatches, blue jays, robins, cardinals, and possibly any other bird like red-crested flycatcher. We're probably gonna track maybe an eastern bluebird, maybe a mountain bluebird too, a western too. Western bluebird too.
What bird are you guys most excited to see if it comes by?
Hopefully the indigo bunting.
The indigo bunting? You think we'll see the indigo bunting?
The indigo
Is that your favorite?
Yes.
Yes. What is your favorite bird?
Cardinal.
The red cardinal.
And the eagle.
And the eagle. What is your favorite?
The chickadee.
The chickadee?
And the owls.
And the owls. You like the owls too? Very nice.
I also like the mourning dove. I like all of them.
What is mommy's favorite bird, guys?
Chickadee and the black bird.
Red-winged bird and the
Mommy, do you also
chickadee.
like
You guys ready to bring it outside?
Yeah!
Click, guys.
Oh, here we go. All right, let's go. Got a friend here too.
And there you have it. Those are the toilet paper roll bird feeders. We also cut orange slices, and I forgot to include this earlier, so I did this by myself after the kids were finished hanging up their bird feeders and decided to go play. So simply cut an orange in half, and I used a nail to puncture a hole, and the leftover ribbon that we had, I used it to thread through that hole using the nail to help. And then I tied a knot at the end of that ribbon. You can also wait to tie the knot until you get outside, depending on where you might want to hang it, if you have to loop around or not. So here I am working on the first one and the second one. We'll speed that up quick for you. And there we go. So it's fun to see what kind of birds come to the orange slices, which kind of birds come to the bird feeders. It'll be a fun and interesting observation. Oh, and don't forget to grab your free printable from the link in the description box below. You can play this along with the bird feeders. You can also play this game without the bird feeders at all. We hope you enjoy and have a great time outside in nature or just looking out your window during this time of quarantine. Enjoy!